Diwali 2020. So yes, I'm here for sharing this makeup look. If you're interested to know how I achieved this look, so please keep on watching. In this makeup look, all the game are played by this makeup. If you want to know by using which palette I create this eye makeup, then you'll see the full video without skipping it, because in this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks. I assure you this video will be helpful for you. So let's start the video. Hello guys, before doing the makeup, I always like to pamper my skin or prep my skin. Follow the routine of city is nothing but a cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and I will always like to make simple the skincare routine. So today I'm going to use the active charcoal face wash from Good Vibes. It is active to work in my face, and then I will use a toner, Goodness toner. It is a green tea toner. So I have a great problem of fungal acne, and this reason green tea is work quietly in my face. I use all the products of green tea or that kind of products which helps in my fungal acne, and then I will use the plum moisturizer. It also have a green tea. The main ingredients is green tea. For this reason I am using currently this moisturizer. Is a very lightweight moisturizer, but it prefers to oily to combination skin, and I have dry to combination skin. For this reason I am currently using that. Before starting winter I will use that. After starting winter I will shift to other moisturizer. I will take a moment to do all the steps in off camera. So I completed my skincare and my skin is looking healthy from inside, hydrated from inside, and it will becoming very soft after doing the skincare. So I always prefer to do skincare before starting your makeup or any kind of putting stuff in your face. So I will jump into the makeup right now. Before jumping, I want to focus and give some point. So I'm making some innovation or invention in my face, because it's 2020 and we are going to be wearing a mask, and this part is going to block or hide under the mask. For this reason I make a part in my face, two part in my face. It is a part 1 and this is a part 2, because this part is the focusing part, this part is the visible part after doing makeup. For this reason I will do a heavy base or wearing a maximum makeup in this part, and this is the minimum makeup part, because if we wear a heavy base under the mask, it will very much unhealthy for our skin, because if these parts are locked by the mask and these ears are not evaporates, or it will very much unhealthy. And you will see recently I'm also facing the same problem. This part is going to be a very much small tiny bumps or acne or fungal acne. Now I'm facing that. For this reason I'm always put maximum makeup in this region. I will look the bold eye makeup, and I will always some matte lipstick and leftover makeup right here. So keep watching. I can assure you this video is definitely helpful for you guys, so please keep watching. Today I'm only using my primer on my T-zone area. After that I will spray right this way. I will always prefer to wait for 5 minutes after using primer, because to fix into your pores. And I always use my primer in this dabbing motion, because it will help to put the primer in your small tiny pore. So after that I will use my foundation. It is a Fit Me foundation, and my shade is 230 Rich Tan. It is my one pump is enough blender for blending my foundation. I like to carry a light layer of foundation, because to prevent any kind of cakiness, and the excess product I will drag into my neck region. So I will going to use a concealer right now. It is a Darling Isabella concealer of my current favorite. It is the shade number 05 Natural Super.
So after blending the concealer on the portion A, I just apply only the excess product on the portion B.
So I have an extremely dry skin. For this reason I am only powdering my under eye and my mouth area. So guys, I will keep this powder for 2 minutes. I think this looks very funny, but then also I will keep it for 2 minutes, and I will do my eye makeup right now. So first I will fill my brow in off camera, and I will coming back with doing my one eye makeup. Guys, today I'm going to create this eye look. People love this look. You create this look with color my dress combinations. You can shift according to your dress, which dress you are going to carry in Diwali. And today I'm going to make this eye look with the help of these palettes, the reversal palette of Beauty Glazed. And and I will share this full palette review in some other videos in my channel, so please stay tuned. Let's start this eye makeup. For today's eye makeup, I will going to play with color because I totally like this look. So first I am going to pick some blue color.
So first I'm going to deposit this blue color below my crease line, and after that I will blend this color with a transition color. It is orangish type of color, and I will put this color on my transition shade and I will blend it properly until I am satisfied with the color. I will deposit more eyeshadow, then I will take a purplish deepen color to deepen up my outer V, and then I will blend all the eyeshadow properly. So after that I will draw a half cut crease with a flatter brush and lighter concealer, and after that I will set this concealer with a setting powder. For ombre effect or blending effect, I will took the same blue color eyeshadow and I will blend it properly, and then I will take a yellow eyeshadow and it just match with my dress color. I'm going to use this eyeshadow as a padding motion. After that I will take the glitter shades as a copper color glitter shade, and I will use it with the help of my fingertip and same padding brush, and then I will draw my lower line with a deep copperish color, and after that I will use the same blue color and I will blend it properly, and then I will take the same yellow color which I put on my upper lid and I will place it at my inner corner. And then I use the kajal. It is a sugar kajal.
I have some fallout here, so I will dust off the powder. So it was just amazing, guys. Just love my eye look. And now I will only contour my nose and apply some lipstick. So I'm going to highlight my inner corner with this highlighting color. Completed my makeup and I'm coming back with my final look. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is, then please take a moment and hit the like button, and do not forget to comment at the below. Also check my other content. If it is helpful, then you can join me by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon also beside that. And it means a lot to me if you join me in this YouTube platform. And you can also follow me in my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. You can also follow me there. Before posting video in YouTube, update it on my Instagram. Please come and join me on Instagram also if you're interested there only. So bye guys, but for my next video, till then, love you.